Boeing has secured a deal with Cathay Pacific that'll see the Hong Kong carrier and One World member commit to buying another 14 777-9 aircraft. This latest deal builds on the carrier's existing order for 777-9s. We take a closer look at the deal in today's video. The agreement extends Cathay Pacific's long relationship with the Boeing 777 family, having flown aircraft from the popular series for the past 3 decades. As announced in a statement by Boeing on August 6th, Cathay will add 14 777-9s to its existing commitment for the variant. This brings its total order book for the type to 35. Cathay Group CEO Ronald Lam explained, "We plan to expand and renew our fleet with the additional 777-9 aircraft, enabling us to continue our rich history of connecting the world with our Hong Kong hub. Cathay Pacific aims to further strengthen our ongoing partnership with Boeing and leverage the world-class features of the new 777-9 as we strive to become the world's best premium airline." As noted earlier, Cathay Pacific had already ordered 21 777-9 airframes before signing the early August deal for more. The airline first reported its intentions to buy these next-generation wide-body twin jets all the way back in December 2013. It initially planned to receive them between 2021 and 2024, although, as many of you already know, significant delays with the type have since pushed its projected delivery timeline back by a few years. For Cathay Pacific, it's looking like the 777-9 will enter service in 2027. It makes a lot of sense for Cathay Pacific to acquire the 777-9 given its well-established operations with other older 777 variants. Indeed, according to present fleet data made available by CH Aviation, Cathay Pacific currently has 17 examples of the non-ER 777-300 in its fleet and 35 units of the 777-300ER. Historically, the carrier has also operated 18 more 777-300ERs, as well as 5 examples of the 777-200. Some 777s that have exited the Cathay fleet have gone on to serve at airlines like Air New Zealand, Qatar Airways and Turkmenistan Airlines. Additionally, some ex-Cathay 777s that went to Korean Air were leased by the SkyTeam member to fellow South Korean airline T-Way Air. With Cathay's existing 777 fleet being refitted and updated with the new Aria suites and modern interiors for other classes, we'll be sure to see something similar for the 777-9s once they enter service. What do you think of Cathay adding to its 777-9 order? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.